I'm gonna record it.
I think not too loud, is it?
No.
Okay, here we go. Let's see, Juliet, 2 blocks. Scene.
This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Aurora. The Aurora Police Department is searching for 13-year-old Takira Blackman, last seen in the vicinity of 300 block of North Joliet Street about 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon.
Oh, geez,
Takira is described as a black female, 4 feet 9 inches and 150 pounds with brown eyes and black hair. Takira was last seen wearing a green and black sweater with white floral PJ bottoms. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.